All right, we all want tight toned abs. So, how do we get them? Well, this is one of my favorite ab exercises. You want to go to the hyperextension machine. Right here, I'm grabbing a 25-pound plate and I'm facing the opposite direction. I'm placing my butt on the pad, making sure my lower back is slightly on the pad and I can roll all the way down. And then I'm using the strength of my abs. I'm flexing them and squeezing them as hard as I can to roll up. It's really important that you're using your abs and not your lower back, not your back to swing up. There's no momentum, as you can see. I'm having a pretty hard time. I'm focusing on flexing the abs one at a time and coming up into a C shape. So you see that curvature in my spine. I'm protecting my lower back, and then I dropped the weight because it was a little bit too much. And I also want to burn out my abs by just going body weight. You can make it harder by putting your hands on your head, and you'll see pretty shortly I move my hands away because it's getting too heavy for me. If you put your hands crossed on your chest, it's less weight and that becomes a little bit easier. And again, just focus on squeezing your abs one at a time. No jerking, no momentum. Here you go. I'm making it a little bit easier and I'm burning them out. And yeah, I can't move. That's when you know your abs are done, when you can't move anymore. Yep, dead.